Hey, welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to demonstrate a how-to mod that I've done, and this way you can see why this sounds pretty good. The wind is hitting me, and let me just basically rotate my camera so to the side you get an idea, and give me a few seconds while I make this turn. And then I can rotate it to the other side, and then you can get a great idea how the sound of this camera with the wind muff works that I modified on. So as I switched over to a different hand, and it's more into the wind as I'm hitting it, and let me simply just rotate it to the front. And here's the wind hitting me pretty strong, not as strong as yesterday. And let's get right to the video of how to do the wind muff. And this is an excellent shot indeed, because the wind is a lot stronger, twice the strength as before, and it is calming down. The one thing I do want to say is that when I put it in my pocket right now, it's holding on pretty good with the rubber cement, and it will simply be removable if you don't like it. So let's get right to that review for you. Amazon and eBay sells mic muffs or mic covers. Cut yourself a piece, take all the fur off. At your local hardware store, tack rubber cement pads. You're going to cut, place on all over, take your ear muffs, press it down, and there you go. You can use it for many things, like your Rode Wireless Go and many other cameras. So now when you're out and about, this will stop the wind from hitting the cameras, and I hope you enjoyed the sample videos. Have a great day, a very easy mod indeed.